Hi, um, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see about how to configure the PAT. If someone not seen my the previous video, the static net and dynamic net, you can watch those video because we explain how to configure the static net and what is the dynamic net. The same setup we are going to use here. This is my company router, the blue color highlighted that is ISP router. 208.6500.3, it's a web server which is located some internet, and let it be Google or something. It's similarly looks like that. I have private IP address 192.168.1.10, 11, 12 and 13. Okay, we have a IP address, and the VLAN is gateway is 192.168.1.1, and the public interface we are configured with 209.6500.1 at my end, 2 at ISPN. So I have only one public IP address with me, and I want to convert all these PCs to access the internet. Okay, I want to access all these PC to access the internet. Now I will try to reach this web server first. Two not 65.3. See, you are not able to reach this one web server, right? Because that's a public IP. We are in a private without NAT. There is no routing involved because I'm not going to change this routing. So this reachability is not due to NAT. Okay. So once I added the NAT, you able to reach this server. How to do that? The same simple step I'm going to follow. Before that, I will show you the running conf. What are the things we did? So this is our inside interface. This is our public interface. I have added the route towards the gateway of the public IP address. I took a slash 48, sorry, subnet 255.255.248. That means slash 29. Okay. So I have added the access list, which is the entire subnet, right? 192.168.1.1, 10, 1.10, 192.168.1.10, 1.11, 12, 13. Okay. So entire access list added. So I'm going to give the NAT configuration for this one. Right now we are going to do the PAT. So what are the things we need to know? We need to know what is inside interface, what is the outside interface, what is the public IP address, and what is the private IP address which we need to give access. Let's complete this one. Interface jig 0/0 IP NAT inside. Yeah, we enable the IP NAT inside command. Now interface jig 0/1 IP NAT outside. Yeah, interface is done. Now what I'm going to do, I want to configure the NAT with private IP address into public IP address need to be translated with a port verification, right? What is the command? What is the command? I'm going to translate my inside interface IP address into outside the public. I'm going to map that. Command is IP NAT inside. I'm going to give a list of IP address. Okay, the source. I'm going to do one or list of IP address. You can see the command. See, list is we have a access list we created multiple IP address. Static means one IP. So what is the list? I have created the access list. This is a named access list. This is a standard or extended. I am created standard access list 10. Okay. I am going to do interface or pool. Right now I'm going to do the interface net jig 0/1. Okay, that is outside interface. Pad comes here. This command overload. So our NAT part is completed. Okay, we completed our NAT. We are going to check whether the NAT is working or not. How to check that? This is the command to check the NAT is working or not. We have to check whether everything is fine. Check 0/IP net inside, the public IP address IP net outside. Fine. Sorry, yeah, access list is one, right? That is a mistake we did. We'll quickly correct it. I wrongly put it as a 10. That I need to correct. We'll initiate some traffic. Yeah, now you're able to reach that, right? Now you can check the NAT translation table. See, if you see that port numbers are getting changed, 9, 10, 11, 12, and this is one public IP address. Even I can access. Now I go to the other PC. Okay, this is the PC. We check. I will go to this PC. Okay, this is 11, right? I will go to the web browser. What is the IP address? 208.65.100.3. See, I'm getting the web page. See, TCP packet. If you see that port is random, inside local and inside global is random. This is outside. This is we are accessing the HTTP. So it's now I go to this PC. Two not 100.3. Yeah, still now I am able to access. See, this is HTTPS traffic. If you see that the port number is 1024, then 1025. This it's random. So this is a port address translation. So the overload command plays a role here. I hope you all enjoy this video. So if you have any queries or any doubts, please post in the comment section. I will try to clarify it. Okay, thank you for watching the full videos, and I am expecting some feedback, whether it's a positive or negative. Please keep post in the comment section, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe my channel so you'll get a most Cisco related and packet tracer related labs in your inbox. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video. Bye.